A well-applied skin helps you quickly identify your DJI Neo 2 drone in a group flight setting and can even improve the visibility of the drone against complex backgrounds like dense foliage or overcast skies. Here we have best decal skins for DJI Neo 2.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Generic Skin Sticker. The Generic Skin Sticker remains the go-to option for the pragmatic pilot who wants to change their drone's look as often as they change their phone wallpaper. These DJI Neo 2 drone stickers come in a variety of patterns and color options, letting you personalize your drone to match your style and stand out in the air. Made from high-quality sticker materials, the decals deliver bright, long-lasting colors while offering wear resistance, UV protection, and waterproof performance. Even after repeated outdoor flights, the stickers stay vibrant and intact. Designed for easy application and clean removal, the stickers adhere securely without leaving residue or damaging the drone's surface. Carefully selected adhesive ensures reliable hold while allowing hassle-free repositioning or replacement. Precision cut specifically for the DJI Neo 2, these stickers fit the airframe perfectly without affecting aerodynamics or handling. Lightweight and form-fitting, they add style without compromising flight efficiency or performance. On number 2, we have ZBAGUG Glow Skin Sticker. For those who find themselves flying during the golden hour or taking advantage of the Neo 2's improved low-light sensors for night captures, the ZBAGUG Glow Skin Sticker is a specialized essential. Luminous drone decals absorb light during the day and glow brightly at night, making your drone easy to spot and improving safety and orientation during night flights. Crafted from premium vinyl, these drone skins protect against scratches, dust, and light rain while preserving your drone's original finish and appearance. The flexible, precision-cut wrap installs smoothly without bubbles and removes cleanly with no sticky residue, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced pilots. The material is precision-cut to avoid covering any of the Neo 2's cooling vents or downward-facing sensors, providing a futuristic aesthetic that makes your drone look like something out of a science fiction film while keeping it clearly visible against the dark night sky. On number 3, we have Honlyn Waterproof Skin Sticker. When your adventures take you into more challenging environments like misty coastlines or humid tropical forests, the Honlyn Waterproof Skin Sticker provides the heavy-duty shielding your hardware deserves. Neo 2 stickers are made from high-definition PVC material and precision molded at a 1:1 scale to ensure accurate alignment and full coverage protection. They effectively prevent scratches while guarding against oxidation and color fading, keeping your device looking new. Featuring advanced invisible air channel technology, the decals apply smoothly with no bubbles and remove cleanly without leaving residue. Multiple customizable designs are available to match your style. Comprehensive coverage minimizes exposed surfaces after installation, reducing daily wear and tear and helping maintain a clean, like-new appearance over time. So these are some of the best stickers to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.